So you know those videos Tom DeLonge of Blink-182 made public that show unidentified flying objects? You know, the black and white ones that show the advanced aircraft on military radar and pilots can be heard talking about them in the background? Well, for the first time, the Navy has actually spoken publicly about those flying saucers, and they haven't labeled them as drones or any other weird excuse they usually use. They've called them unidentified aerial phenomena. Yeah, no shit! Welcome back to InformOverload. We do the news and we make it entertaining. I'm Charlotte Dobre. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss one of our videos. Quite possibly the most famous videos of unidentified flying objects that exist made national news in 2017 and 2018. The first was taken by Navy pilots from their aircraft back in 2004 off the coast of San Diego using an F-18 gun camera. Another video taken in January of 2015 shows another vehicle rotating in the sky, and the pilots' voices can be heard in the background on their communications system, commenting on how strange the object was. The third video was released by Tom DeLonge's organization To The Stars. It's another video taken in January of 2015 showing a similar object. It's believed the last two videos were taken on the exact same day and show the exact same object. These are the best examples of evidence of unidentified flying objects that is currently known to exist. John Greenwald, author of The Black Vault, which is the biggest civilian archive of declassified government documents, requested information about the viral videos back in August. He got this response from the Navy. In the exact words of Joseph Gradisher, Navy spokesperson, the Navy considers the phenomena contained/depicted in these three videos as unidentified. So why is this significant? Number one, because before this statement the Navy has never talked about these videos. Number two, because the Navy is using updated terminology to refer to UFOs. They called them unidentified aerial phenomena. And number three, they didn't make a lame excuse for them, an excuse like a weather balloon or a drone. The Navy called these objects what they are: UFO phenomenon. Greenwald had this to say, I quote, "I never much expected that when the US military addressed the videos, they would coincide with language we see on official documents that have now been released, and they would label them as drones or balloons. However, they did not. They went on record stating the phenomena depicted in these videos is unidentified. That made me surprised, intrigued, excited, and motivated to push harder for the truth." You get that truth. You get it. So what exactly are these UFOs, or what were they? Could it be that they're man-made aircraft so advanced that they're incomprehensible to people who aren't in the military? Or are they something else? UFOologists have said that the famous videos were captured very near a secretive US Navy facility, the San Clemente Island Range Complex. San Clemente Island is supposed to be a place where the Navy researches and develops manned and unmanned aircraft. There's also another facility close by, San Nicolas Island, another Navy complex where the Navy is said to test state-of-the-art weapon systems. Problem is, when the Navy was asked about these incidents, Navy spokesperson Rob Flanders said, I quote, "We have checked the records, and despite the public reporting and video on the incident, no records exist at Fleet Area Control and Surveillance Facility for the events in question." So there's a couple of things that are going on here. Could be going on. Either the Navy isn't being honest about the aircraft seen in these videos, or they genuinely don't know what the aircraft was that ended up in their airspace, which is, I think, kind of scarier. Tell me your thoughts on this one down there in those comments, and while you do that, let's wrap up this video with some comment features. These comments are from our video, "Scientists say alien civilizations have already visited Earth." What an appropriate video. Matt said, "I live to be seen by Charlotte or Jared!" So now that I've seen you, what is your purpose in life? Piped and Drought said, "Ancient aliens was correct. Man, that's some good." Love Ancient Aliens, especially the guy with the crazy hair. He was the best. Kim Hawkins said, "I want to see Jared with a clean-shaven, smooth face." No, you don't. That is it for me, and thanks for watching. If you want to keep watching, check out this playlist and leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'm going to see you in a future IO video.